Hey guys, welcome to Mr. Mouse video, and guess what? This is it. I'm gonna show you the epic touch. Just one epic touch. Guys, look. Guys, I just want to show you what we got. It is the dynamite. See, I equipped it, and let's see how let's see how this thing works. Let's just see how it works. Let's just throw it. Explode! Okay, let's pick that. Come on, explode for me. Come on. Come on, dynamite. Dynamite. Okay, guys. You see, this is the best moment of my life. You see, we can make our own secret room. Guys, look! Look at the dynamite. Look at it go. Look, it just automatically, like, going. I can't believe it's it. This is it. The one epic moment of our lives. Let's fit it here. No, down. Don't fail in there. Don't fail in there. Don't fail in there. Fail in there. Don't fail in there. Don't fail in now. Come on, Dynamite. Do it. Do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Do it, Dynamite. Come on, Dynamite. Okay, you see, basically the dynamite, you drop it like this, and then everything explodes. Like that. And so basically, I'm just gonna do... Oh geez, 140 backpack, that's horrible, because look what we got. We have a 1,500 backpack. Look at this. Look at me just throw that thing. Look at this thing go. I mean, it just does this, and boom, you got it. It's like you got everything. Okay, guys, look at what we're going for now. We're going for the 2,500 backpack, 150,000 coins, guys. You everything, man. That's all the coins. But actually, you're right. It is a lot of coins. And you see our hole here. It is the big hole. It is like huge. Come on, break it, Dynamite. Okay, you know what? The Dynamite wants to go there. Okay. I remember this hole, guys. I remember everything about this. Ah, yes, I remember the room. Oh, this is the part I didn't get to yet. You might be thinking, oh, he's back. Oh my god, he's back, he's back, he's back. Oh, no, he's back, he's back, he's back. Oh my god. But, yes, I'm back. I am back, and I am going to sell this. And you see, I'm already at 20,000, guys. No, I'm actually at 200,000 already. You guys, this might be awesome. Look at this, guys. We're filling up so fast with this. I mean, guys, look. Look at this. Look, I'm breaking this in an instant. Oh my god. Look at what I'm doing here. I'm breaking things like awesome, like crazy. That's mine. I don't know if you noticed, but that's mine. You see how fast we are going here, guys. Like, let's see if we have enough money already. Because if we do, I'd be like, so shocked. No, we don't. But anyway, we are going to do this, like, good. Like, real good. Look at this, guys. We're just hitting stuff. We're just hitting stuff, right? We're just blowing it up. We're blowing it. We're blowing stuff up. What is the matter with this kid? Does he not know what we're doing here? Come on. Don't fail me now. Come on, Dynamite. Don't fail me now. Don't fail me now. After all we've been through, Dynamite. Yes, guys. Look, Dynamite. Isn't it beautiful? The beautiful piece of that blows things up like that. It's already full, guys. That is crazy. Let's try that again. Oh my god, guys. Let's try this. And come on, reach down deep, man. Come on, man. Reach deep, man. Come on, man, guys. Come on. Let's cheer on for him. Come on, kid. 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 See, we're on 43,837 coins. This is a little crazy. See, I'm doing this like a charm. This is a charm. With Dynamite. Me and Dynamite, me. Look at me. Look, we're already full. Look, we're already full here. Guys, we're going to get this like in an instant, this backpack. Right, guys? This is crazy. Guys, look how easy it takes us to fill up. We get here in like no time. Look at like, I think there's a red zone under here. If you haven't seen my other videos, they're quite awesome. One shows the bottom of the hole here, like all literally. And this is how it feels like to be like the weird person with Dynamite. You know how like other people like usually like annoy you, and when they usually have Dynamite and you hate them. So you see that happened to me when I had Vacuum, but now I technically no, not anymore. Not anymore. It doesn't happen anymore because doesn't happen anymore because there's a reason why this doesn't happen anymore, guys. And wait, first we might get that. Give me that. Give me those. Give me that. Okay, we're gonna just sell. Oh my god, guys. We are almost there. Look, guys. We are almost there. But apparently we are almost out of time. We only have 4 more minutes. And yeah. We're just gonna keep hitting the dynamite. Yeah, you see? That's what we're doing. Hitting the dynamite. Come on, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Hit it, guys. Hit it, guys. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Hit it. I can't believe this is what we've been through. Look, guys. Look at what we've been through already. Look at all we've been through. This is so fast, right, guys? This dynamite is just crushing our backpack today. I'm like crushing, like breaking it apart. See, guys, when I say go, ready to throw, learn it, hit my man. I don't know if you know what that is from. It's from a like little meme. Don't know if you check it out. I think you should though. It is awesome. Being a YouTuber and everything. If you were wondering how it feels like to be a YouTuber, it feels great. But apparently we are out of time, so I hope you enjoyed this video and how I blow stuff up like that. But apparently I have to go, so bye!